Hi there mga beloved ko soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybayan na Renzo Tarot Channel. Sige po ang ating reading po ngayon na pagsasamahan ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Gemini. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kamusta po kayo lahat? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel, pakisubscribe naman po pag di pa kayo nakasubscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this po sa ating TikTok account, pakifollow na rin po Renzo Taro 444. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message lang po kayo. Hindi po kayo una mag-message sa inyo sapagkat scammers po yan. Alright? So this is for you again, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Takes what only resonates. Huwag na natin patagalin pa, kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 2, 3, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 4, 5. Maraming salamat po. 6, 7, 8, 9. Sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta, at pagmamahal. Alright? Sige, Gemini, your 10 cards are now ready. So, wag na natin patagalin pa ito. Gemini, your first card is we have here the 10 of Wands. You are in a situation daw, Gemini, na it seems parang ang bigat-bigat na pagod ka na pressured ka na sa mga bagay, sa sitwasyon na you are within as of the moment. Alright, so, you are in the point, Gemini, na parang you are thinking of giving up already. Okay? Kasi yung pressure dito, yung pagod, hindi lang sa isang direction nagbumula. It seems that talagang all directions the pressures are coming. Alright, so Gemini, so look, okay, maaring responsibility sa family, sa trabaho, sa love life, everything sabay-sabay. And you are in the point now that parang, you're just showing up like, parang, gigising lang ako, parang, para mabuhay lang, parang ganun. Alright, tingnan natin. King of Swords. So, I consider Gemini, the cause or the reason of this pressure, of this pagod, na ang bigat na yung emosyon na nararamdaman is because pressure from someone, sa isang tao na parang, I consider it's like an authority. Boss mo ba ito? Or tatay mo ba ito? Or something like that. Basta, a male energy na parang, pinipressure ka talaga, pinipiga ka. It's like, you're testing your patience to the fullest here, Gemini. Parang, pinapaikot ka, ginagamit ka, sinasabotahe ka. Ito yung nakikita ko energy dito of a certain person na medyo powerful, medyo may katayuan, medyo maganda yung posisyon. And ikaw, wala kang magawa. You feel so powerless dito, Gemini. Alright, so talagang parang nangyari ito, parang nagiging sunod-sunuran ka. Okay, Gemini, ito yung nakikita natin dito. That's why here, you're so tired, you're so pressured here, and you really want to break free or makalaya na. Okay? Pangatlo, 4 of Pentacles. Actually, the reason kung bakit nagtsatsaga ka pa rin, kung bakit nilalaban mo pa rin yung sitwasyon na yan kahit pagod ka na, parang, parang feeling mo talagang powerless ka, it's because you have a plan. You are doing your best to save money as of now. Ang nakikita ko dito, Gemini, parang pinagtsatsagaan mo lang siya. It's because, sabi ko nga, kunting ipon pa. Parang tungkol sa pera dito. Kasi, I know, Gemini, na nasa top of mind mo na ngayon na kapag nakaipon ka na ng sapat ng pera, kapag kumbaga may kota ka na naipon mo na lahat ng ito, saka ka naaalis. Tinatsagaan mo po siya kahit ganun yung nangyayari, kahit naging sunod-sunuran ka, parang inaabuso ka, it's because, kumbaga, may konting tiyaga pa regarding sa savings or yung improvement of your finances dito, Gemini. Alright, so, this is the reason why nakikita ko that's I'm respecting you. Okay, kung bakit ganyan ang lumalabas dito. Okay? So, parang, with the 4 of Pentacles here, you're doing your best to save. And at least, kapag yung perfect timing, yung tamang panahon na sapat na yung naipon mo, saka ka na aalis. Alright? Pang-apat. Queen of Swords. Alright? Actually, hindi lang lalaki. There's also, may mga Gemini din dito na yung sitwasyon ay babae din, yung nagpe-pressure. Yeah. a boss, a manager, katrabaho ba to, magulang, mother-in-law, something na parang pinapaikot rin kayo sa kamay ng babaeng to. Wala kayong bosses, it seems that parang, pinapakita niya yung power niya. She's asserting her power to you, Gemini. Alright, tingnan mo, King and Queen of Swords is here. Talagang, alright, so Gemini, you are stuck napapagitnaan ka sa sitwasyon na ito na talagang medyo mabigat. Okay, but you don't have a choice as of now. So nakikita natin dito na parang it's more on authority. I have a feel very high energy na nafe-feel ko na it's like, supervisor, boss, manager, something like that na parang talagang iniipit ka, iniipit ka, pinapressure ka to perform something na beyond your control, beyond your skills, lagpas sa dapat mong trabahuin o dapat mong kayang gawin. Okay? So, sige. Panglima, Gemini, Wheel of Fortune. Alright. So, I am here para palakasin ang loob mo. Because with the Wheel of Fortune here, tama yung ginagawa mo. I know, pagod ka na. I know, nasasaktan ka na. Everything seems so heavy for you as of the moment. But tama yung ginagawa mo na tinatsaga mo pa for you to save money, for you to be stable. Believe me, after ng lahat ng ito, matatapos din ito, makakalaya ka. And with the Wheel of Fortune here, yung ruleta ng kapalaran, yung swerte ay iikot naman sa'yo. Okay? So, you are going through all of this, Gemini. Pinagdadaanan mo ang lahat ng ito. It's because there's a big blessing in disguise waiting for you. Alright? So, that's why sabi ko, I respect you. It's because hindi lahat ng tao kayang gawin ito. Itong pagtitiis, pagtsatsaga. Alam mo yun, parang hindi lang gumagante. It's just you're doing your best kasi may goals ka, may plano ka sa buhay mo. You have very, kumbaga, malawak na future ang pinaplano mo dito. And with the Wheel of Fortune, believe me, Gemini, you are guaranteed. I-claim ito, success and victory, blessings upon blessings, ay bubuhos para sa'yo. Before we proceed, Gemini, sa ating last 5 cards dito sa ating second row, kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading ngayon, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, pakifollow na rin po Renzo Taro 444. And if you want to avail a private reading, okay, direkta po kayo magbe-message sa account na ito. Wala po ibang magbe-message sa inyo. Hindi po ako una magbe-message sa inyo. Scammer po yan. Alright, doble ingat po tayo. Napakarami po, naglipa na po ang mga manloloko sa panahon ngayon. Pang-anim, Gemini, Nine of Cups. Believe me, tingnan mo, sunod-sunod na magagandang cards. Good news. Okay? Magbubunga lahat ng paghihirap mo, lahat ng pagtitiis mo. With the Nine of Cups here, you will be sitting in the... Kung ngayon, ikaw yung inuutos-utusan, kung ngayon, ikaw yung kinokontrol or inaabuso dito, believe me, darating din ang point, yung oras sa buhay mo, iikot, like a Wheel of Fortune, iikot din ang kapalaran sa'yo. And now, with the Nine of Cups here, Gemini, believe me, you will be owning your own business. You will be a leader, you will be a manager, you will be a CEO. Okay? Talagang may pag-angat, may transformation, may progress na mangyayari sa buhay mo na hindi mo lubos akalain na mangyayari pala after all of this na sitwasyon na pinagdadaanan mo. Okay? Good news, victory, claim mo na to, Gemini. Pampito. Ayan o. Pito, Seven of Cups. Hindi lang isa ang opportunity na darating para sa'yo. Magugulo, malilito ang isipan mo dito sa pagpili kung alin ba ang pipiliin mo. Okay, this is a good problem. Kasi kung dati limited ka lang sa isang sitwasyon, tinatsagaan mo, tinitiis mo kasi wala kang choice. But look at this turnaround. Tingnan mo yung pag-ikot ng kapalaran sa'yo, Gemini. With the Seven of Cups here, this is a good problem kasi may hirapan ka mamili. Okay, sa isa, laban sa isa, sa dami ng gugulo sa isipan mo. But itong problema na gugulo sa isipan mo is about blessings and opportunities na darating para sa'yo, Gemini. Claim this with all of your heart and your mind. Put your faith in the universe. Believe me, Gemini. It's just, kumbaga, it's just a matter of perfect timing. Talagang walang makakapigil sa pag-arangkada ng buhay mo dito. Okay? So, pangwalo. Ace of Cups, new beginning. Whether you like it or not. Nakaguhit na ito sa kapalaran mo. With the Ace of Cups, Gemini, you are bound for new beginnings. You are bound for transformation, big transformation. Nasabi ko nga, hindi mo lubos akalain mangyayari yung mararanasan mo sa buhay mo, Gemini. Alright, with the Ace of Cups here, you are bound for a journey wherein mapapasabi ka na worth it pala lahat ng pagtitiis at pagtsatsaga ko. Buti na lang hindi ako nagpa-apekto, buti na lang hindi ako nag-react, buti lang hindi ako gumante. Kita mo yung kabayaran. Look at the rewards, Gemini. Grabe. Believe me, Gemini. Talagang you are one of a kind. You are blessed. Alright, so claim mo na ito with the Ace of Cups. New beginning, new chapter, new journey of your life is waiting to unfold for you. Pang-siyam, High Priestess. Gemini, go out of your comfort zone. Be creative. It's the best time na ilabas na yung mga tinatago mong galing skills na for a long time ay just keeping it secretly. This is the best time na makikilala ka. This is the best time na yung creativity mo ay mababayaran, mamomonetize, will be paid. It's because it's rare, it's unique, Gemini. Hindi yung skills and talents mo ay sarilihin mo lang, Gemini. It should be, it should be discussed, it should be, kumbaga, maipamalas sa lahat ng tao. With a High Priestess card here, so go out of your comfort zone, show what you've got. Your creativity, your greatness will be rewarded, believe me, Gemini. Ito na yung tamang panahon. If you're looking for a sign, if you're waiting for a sign, for a message to do that thing, medyo nag-aalangan ka pa. Yes, this is the best time, Gemini. Ipakita mo na ang galing. Alright? 10th and last card. Queen of Cups. Alright? So here, Gemini, with the Wheel of Fortune here. Alright? This is a reminder for you to be extra careful, not only in decision making, but also sa pagtitiwala sa mga tao sa paligid. Kasi feeling mo lahat ng nasa paligid mo ay kaibigan mo. Feeling mo lahat ng kamag-anak mo ay totoo sa'yo. Little you didn't know, they're talking behind your back. Do an extra research. Do a background check, Gemini. Walang masama sa pag-aalam mo na. Kasi as a Queen of Cups, I know you're very good with this thing. Magaling ka dito. Kaya mo magbasa ng tao. You know who's on and off for you. But, samahan ng pag-iingat with the Queen of Cups here. Okay? Walang masama kung magre-research muna tayo. Ang dami na naglipa ng manloloko. Ang daming naglipa na akala mo totoo, yung pala ay ibibitin ka, ilalaglag ka at the end. Gemini, I know prone ka sa ganitong mga tao. Okay? So, huwag ka nang papayag. This is a reminder for you, Gemini, to be extra careful, do some research, do background check. But all in all, this is a very beautiful reading for you. All of the cards are very hopeful. Napakaganda. I know, napapagod ka as of the moment. I know, pressured ka. But all of these beautiful cards, especially with the Wheel of Fortune, may kapalit na malaking blessings na parating sa'yo. Alright? There's no point of giving up. Tuloy-tuloy lang with the Ace of Cups, new beginnings. Creativity, ipamalas mo na. Good news, victory, success are waiting for you. A good problem na wherein maguguluhan ang isip mo sa pagpipili sa lahat sa dami ng opportunities na parating sa'yo. Okay? I know you're in a situation na medyo may mga taong kumokontrol sa'yo sa the moment na wala kang choice pero nakikisama ka. But all in all, at the end, magbubunga ang lahat ng yan ng blessings upon blessings, Gemini. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at mamamahal, mga soulmates kong Gemini. Hanggang sa susunod natin pagkikita, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.